Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Honda Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to adjust your sound settings in your 2017 Honda Civic Hatchback. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is to make sure you go to the center console. And once we get to the center console, of course, we're gonna click on this button right here where it says where it has the music and speaker logo on it. So we're gonna do, of course, press on it. It's gonna lead you to the sound settings. If you would like to scroll through the settings, all you have to do is to scroll through clockwise with the right hand dial, the right hand side. And of course, right here you have the basics, so bass, mid, treble, and fade and balance, and of course your speed volume compensation. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Honda Acura, and thank you guys for watching.